Respect is not something you can demand. It's something you must earn. In relationships, nothing is more destructive than losing the respect of the woman you care about. If she doesn't respect you, love, attraction, and even loyalty will fade. Today, we're diving deep into 5 critical behaviors that destroy respect and how Stoicism teaches us to eliminate them. The Stoics, men like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, understood that self-respect leads to external respect. They didn't chase approval. They embodied virtues that made others naturally admire them. If you constantly feel disrespected, the problem might not be with her, but with your own behavior. Let's break down these 5 mistakes that kill respect and how to fix them using Stoic wisdom. 1. Seeking validation. Constantly. Nothing kills respect faster than being overly needy for approval. If you always ask, "Do you love me?" or change your personality just to make her happy, she'll see you as weak. Stoicism teaches us self-sufficiency. Your worth should come from your values, not external validation. As Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Now listen to this Stoic solution. Develop inner confidence. Live by your own principles, and approval will follow naturally. 2. Lacking emotional control, exploding in anger, or crumbling under pressure makes you look weak. Stoicism teaches emotional mastery. Respond, don't react. If she sees you as emotionally unstable, she won't respect you. Seneca wrote, "Most powerful is he who has himself in his own power." Now listen to this Stoic solution. Before reacting, pause. Breathe. Ask yourself, is this worth my energy? Control your emotions, and you control your life. 3. Being indecisive and weak-minded. A man who can't make decisions appears unreliable. Women respect leaders, not followers. If you hesitate, overthink, or always ask her what to do, she won't see you as strong. Epictetus reminds us, if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Confidence means making choices, even if you risk being wrong. Now listen to this Stoic solution. Own your decisions. Even if you fail, stand by them, learn, and grow stronger. Being dishonest, all lacking integrity. If your words and actions don't align, she'll never trust you. Trust is built on honesty and consistency. Marcus Aurelius said, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." A man of honor commands respect without demanding it. Now listen to this Stoic solution. Be a man of your word. Say what you mean, and follow through on your promises. 5. Being passive and avoiding conflict. Avoiding difficult conversations, tolerating disrespect, or letting her walk all over you signals weakness. Women test men. It's in their nature. If you fail these tests by avoiding confrontation, you lose respect. Stoicism teaches us to face challenges head-on. Now listen to this Stoic solution. Address issues directly. Set boundaries. Speak up when necessary. Respect yourself first, and others will follow. Everyday life gives you countless opportunities to apply these lessons. If you stop seeking validation, control your emotions, make firm decisions, live with integrity, and stand up for yourself, respect will come naturally. The key is consistency. Respect isn't something you ask for. It's something you command by how you live. If you find yourself constantly disrespected in relationships, examine your own actions first. The wisdom of the Stoics teaches us that true strength comes from within. Become a man worthy of respect, and you'll never have to demand it. If this video added value to your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these 5 points resonated with you the most. Stay strong, stay disciplined, and keep improving. See you in the next one.